Hello everyone. Today we are gonna make a raglan short sleeve blouse. I slightly modified the original design of the pattern to suit me. Let's get started. Fold the edge of the bracket in by 1 cm, then by 3 cm, and press it flat. Do this for both brackets. Fold the bottom of the front and back panels 1 cm, and then 2 cm inward. For the side slits, serge the side edges of the front and back panels. Match the notches of the top and bottom parts of each sleeve. Place them right sides together and sew along the seam. After serging, press the seam toward the top of the sleeve. Repeat this process for the second sleeve. Take the marked sleeve and match it with the front panel right sides together. Sew them together. Do the same with the second sleeve. After serging, press the seams toward the sleeve. Attach the back panel to the sleeve, right sides together. After serging, press the seam toward the back panel. Pin the side seams of the sleeves, front and back panels together. If you have a slit, leave the desired length open. I left about 5 inches for the deeper slit. Sew along the side, stopping at the slit. Sew around the slit carefully, reinforcing the edges. Fold the bias tape in half and sew. Open the seams. Place the tape at the end of the sleeve. And sew it in place right sides together. Cut the seam carefully, making sure not to cut the threads. Wrap the seam inside the sleeve with the bias tape. Fold it. And sew it again to secure. Do the same for the second sleeve. Place the two collar pieces together with the right sides facing each other and sew around the edges. Trim the seam edges. Using pinking shear if you have them. Turn the collar inside out and press it flat. Sew the neckline temporarily, slightly smaller than the seam allowance to make it easier to sew later. Place the collar onto the blouse, with the fusible inner facing side facing the body, and sew it temporarily. Fold the pressed bracket over to the other side and pin it. Do the same for the other side. Pin the end of the neckline bias tape together. And sew it around the neck. Carefully trim the neckline seam, being careful not to cut the threads. Wrap the seam inside with the bias tape and fold it back. Turn the bracket inside out and pin it. Do the same for the other side. Sew along the bottom hem and neckline. Don't forget to sew the back panel's hem. When I tried the blouse on, I found that it's too short for me. So I decided to add 5 more inches to the length. Unstitch the original hem. Cut 1 inch from the front panel's end. Attach a 5-inch extension panel. Trim the bottom of the bracket as before. Iron fusible inner facing onto the back of the bracket. For the back panel, I extend it without cutting. So when finished, the front will be about 1 inch shorter than the back. Thank you for watching.